I was going to school for my AA and I really wanted to get something that was more zoned in to an actual career, so I was more motivated. I've never done anything like this before and I ended up falling in love with it and never realized how much I would be learning. I'm Wendy. I am in my last quarter of the Electrical Maintenance and Automation program.
We're going to go along, take it to the bins.
When I first started this program, I never thought I would know how to rebuild a motor and wire up and bend conduit. It really gives you a taste of all the different industries there are, because it's not just being an electrician. There are so many other things you can do with this degree. All of the teachers in the electrical maintenance department have been absolutely amazing. They really help you find what you're good at.
Our industry is so broad that there's jobs for virtually anyone in it. From construction to working for a utility. It's a really smooth transition from our labs right directly to the workplace.
Frequency drive here.
Getting this degree in electrical maintenance automation is probably one of the best decisions I've made. Even if I don't end up being an electrician, it's just giving me the confidence to do anything I want to do. So if you're looking into doing a non-traditional trade, I would say give it a shot. It's going to open up so many doors for you that you've never thought about before. Whether it be the exact job you're looking for right out the gate or not, you're going to get a job. The need is out there. Take the initiative to join the program and really see what you are capable of doing.